Our English teachers have also arrived. Welcome our English teachers in your class. Keep it up. As you can see in the video, old publicans, the path you were all following, it's their path. They're shining in the whole country. Now it's your turn. All the arrangement hopefully is done. Again, students busy with their models, teachers helping them, and our party judges inspecting. Ribbon pictures are being taken by the cameraman over there of our science models as well as our students. Today we'll all meet dignified scientific personalities of the future here. So ladies and gentlemen, please hear from me. That's the spirit. Keep it up. Judges seem very busy models. Students very curious about their scientific personalities. They're all students, only for now. As all the great scientists. Young scientists arriving with the teachers. Our teachers, they look satisfied with the arrangements done, and they should be satisfied. Principal and headmistress will accompany him until here. By now, our honorable principal and headmistress are also in the hall to hopefully all the irrelevant students have left. Yes. I can see all the irrelevant students have left. Only one student is there, as I can see. As well as the students. So, be ready, get prepared to be amazed by their science. Let me remind you again, not only science, physics. Today, our honorable principal and headmistress with the technology.
एक्सक्यूज मी, इनकी डिस्क्रिप्शन भी लेनी है बच्चों की, तो अगर आपको मालूम हो तो बच्चे बोल लेंगे, इतना लाउड तो नहीं बोल सकेंगे।
ठीक है आ जाए एक एक करके।
हाँ जी।
टाइम पड़ा थोड़ा
The chief guest taking a look on the model, and I can see she's admiring the models, encouraging the students. The student describing her science model. The chief guest, accompanied by Principal Mr. Abdul Shakur Bhatt, Headmistress Mrs. Najma Jawad, and headmistresses and masters of different wings. I'll introduce them. Mr. Zubair Faridi, Mr. Azhar Mahmood, Madam Shamila, Headmistress Girls Senior Wing Township, Madam Aksa, Headmistress Boys Junior Wing Model Town, Madam Shella, Headmistress Girls Junior Wing Model Town. Next models. You can all see the reflection of the dignified personalities in our students. Some are scientists, some are engineers, and some are doctors of future.
Wonderful, very nice.
We wish you best of luck.
This is an adapter.
Now moving towards the chemistry portion, the chief guest, along with all of our headmistresses, headmasters, and the honorable principal. Our teachers, especially the ones who have been supervising this event, Ms. Sajda Salim and Ms. Bushra Seem, to move on in life. There was a time when we had nothing, no gadgets, no comforts of life, but science never gave up and gave us all these facilities which we enjoy today. Our headmasters seem to be interested in the second model, the sound sensor, as three of them are standing there.
after watching the
in the state efforts
first of all, I will say how it works.
students well admired by the chief guest.
As the oil is the top. Then we added that.
Teachers directing the students.
As it dissolves, it makes gas carbon dioxide. Now I'm telling you how to make
All of you have done all of this work here.
how to
Once again, winner. And we'll announce the results of our daily
स्विमिंग पूल है डीपीएस में स्विमिंग पूल है
no, we don't have to.
should have a swimming
This is definitely being done.
very nice I love it
So the chief guest,
charger
Ma'am Hasina Kumar,
बताओ ना कैसे चलता है
Additional Commissioner of Flower, students eager for their models to be the eyes of the Honorable Chief Guest. Cameras capturing your memorable moments with the Additional Commissioner. Ms. Hasina Kumar.
So the indicator turns the elderly
Her chief guest. She's also an inspiration for all of us. At such an early age, she's the Additional Commissioner of Flower.
so let's see if it turns pink
You can also get inspiration from her.
nice pink I like it ये क्या है
She's an example for you. And now, among you, she's here to appreciate your scientific efforts.
very brilliant हो आप down cell
Farah,
down cell
again, trying to capture memorable moments, scientific moments,
if we have to
to get it on television. Over here.
so that's the philosophy behind it जबरदस्त heat absorber ये absorb कर रहे हो heat कैसे
This work as a sun ray. That's why it provides heat. Now this heat absorber takes this
Always be your support. I'll thank the chief guest as she's among us,
very nice
appreciating what we put on here, our teachers,
She has got the third prize.
taking around, directing the students.
She got third prize. Yes.
Let's see how much we'll be able to make this evening successful.
very nice you have to show okay solar
Good. Yes. Third prize.
she's the one you got the third prize this is the
Still on the science model, I guess the physics portion. Most of the inventions of the modern science
very nice you have to show okay solar
Good. Yes. Third prize.
she's the one you got the third prize this is the
still on the science model, I guess the physics portion. Most of the inventions of the modern science
There's a reflex when we say that there was a very strong reflex
Back that जो हमें वापस देता है जो हमें शो करते हैं जो मतलब हमें बैक से अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम किस चीज़ को शो कराना हो
so it reflects होता है there is a glass and all of a sudden you blink that is a reflex also है ना so when you spontaneously react to something that is a reflex that is क्या है? ये क्या है बेटा?
बेटा आप सामने चलो, सामने बैंड बैग सामने चलो,
ओके
बेटा सामने चलो,
Venn diagram
चलो आप बताओ।
represent union. Disjoint, overlapping, subsets.
The answers are presented by blinking white and blue lights.
Okay, wonderful. And this is overlapping, yeah? फिजिक्स मुझे कभी भी इतनी अच्छी नहीं आती, लेकिन फिर भी मैं देखती हूँ फिजिक्स एंड मैथ्स। ये क्या है? A+B होल क्यूब ये है यूरेका। व्हाट्स अ यूरेका?
I have found it और ये मैं found
वैसे यूरेका क्या होता है?
इसका जीत वर्ड है I have found it आर्शिमिडस ने किया था जब से कॉलेज का
यूरेका का मीनिंग देखो डिक्शनरी में।
इसलिए I have found it
You found it? What is it?
this volume of water with the help of
यूरेका वो छोटा सा एक लेमन का जो होता है ना,
काफी
उसको भी कहते हैं यूरेका।
इंग्लिश में काफी
हाँ, गुड। सो कॉन्क्लूजन ऑफ आर्किमिडीज क्या है?
इसमें तो फाउंड आउट पॉइंट को बोलना वो फिर रेगुलेटेड The increase in the volume of this which is 25 mm.
ओके, वंडरफुल। और ये फ्लोट नहीं कर सकता बिकॉज इसका सिंकिंग गुड गुड, शाबाश। इन सारों को अपनी पता है सेंस सारों को। Oh, this is a computer. It's so nice. So what is this? This is your figure. This is your system unit and speaker. Very good, very good. Gee. Oh, this is a robot. Wow, I'll take a picture of it. Spiders. Spiders. हमारा रोबोट भी स्पाइड कर रहा है। Brilliant. Very nice. इसको क्या बनाया क्या? I must congratulate the teachers also. I'm not very good at it. ये क्या है?
Yes, your science portion, computer, maths, and biology portion.
Brilliant.
Taking a look at the computer models, the left half of the row.
Sorry?
You're the crop of the field of humanity. You're the backbone of the nation, the future of the country.
Okay, sub office, head office. Project signed information ये कौन दे रहा है भाई? आप दे रहे हो? वो मेरी
Salt is the key to your state supply.
क्या है मेरा? मार्च, अक्टूबर। अच्छा, मुझे बताना पड़ेगा ऐसा।
व्हाट्सएप
7. What's my star? कोई और बात बताओ ना। This is definitely my element of air and my lunar planet of Venus. Saturday is Friday and lucky color is green. Okay. Shown is open. भी तो बैठेगा.
No, very true. Is this a sofa? Yes, it's really.
Wow, it's quite comfortable. Very nice. So come stand with me. Let's take a quick picture. Mama, come.
Let's take a selfie.
Let's take a selfie. Okay. For a selfie, we need. Okay, ready? Selfie stick. Okay, ready?
She got the first position also.
Achha, very nice. Wonderful. Oh yeah, I love the sofa. This should be placed in a showroom.
Our headmasters, model zip line. Asking the students about their medals.
जी बिल्कुल जी हाँ उसके बारे में मुझे रिक्वेस्ट करें कम से कम बेस्ट टाइम फ्रॉम 10 to 3
Saturday को हमारा भी बेल ओपन है. I think Saturday is
और 3 एटलीस्ट 3 डेज
All work ready. I'm sorry, your principal is not letting me talk to you guys, so. Ah, wonderful. Okay, walking robot. जल्दी से पिक्चर लेते हैं. ठीक है? चलाओ जी, चलाओ. Wonderful. Very well done. Very well done. ठीक है. टाइम मशीन तो नहीं है. टाइम मशीन बनाओ.
Every success, any level, whether your academic career, school level,
I want to talk to all of you. I'm sorry your principal is not letting me. So you know you can ask her later.
to success, hard work is the key. Today, there are many dignified future dignified studying among us
Greenhouse effect.
who are all the fruit of the efforts of the teachers are honoring
Child of class 9 to be made.
especially the ones who have supervised this event.
ये moving है? ये इसका है. अच्छा. ये भी robot तो moving है.
For honoring chief guest at such an early age. She is the medicinal commissioner of Flower. You can also catch inspiration from her. This early age and additional commitment.
I am found in the deep blue sea of the ocean and shallow water as well. I have spines on my body. I have 5 arms which are radiating outward from the central zone. I can regenerate my lost arms instead of the blood. I have well-developed water-vascular system. Thank you.
You're welcome. And let's take a quick selfie. Smile. Nice. Okay, wonderful. हाँ जी, डेंगी. डेंगी तो white होता है. White अच्छा होता है डेंगी. Cotton.
Spot white.
White, not absolutely white. Okay. Huge rain stripes. Tell me dengue.
Hey, I'm a mosquito. My name is Aedes aegypti. I'm a type of arthropod. In a number of regions, I carry virus and I'm responsible to spread this virus into the human being.
Better stay away from you. Thank you.
Hey, I'm a mosquito spray, the enemy of all insects and mosquitoes. So use me before dawn and after dark. I'm the best way to kill mosquitoes.
Okay, so are you also a sponsor of Mospel? Very nice, wonderful. उसके ऊपर स्प्रे ना कर देना.
Hi, I'm a snack bar. If you're hungry, come to
What's
me.
up?
What do you want? Chips, snacks, candies, etc. Put the money in my stall.
Here?
It is operative as well.
Okay, I'm sorry I don't have any money. You have to just lend me something.
आप कोई भी press करें ना, just the button, जिसकी भी आप
Any.
1 2 3 anyone.
फिर पता लग जाएगा कि मैं क्या खाती हूँ, कितना जंक फूड खाती हूँ मैं. So I'll just press 1.
On the extreme right.
हाँ, ठीक है. Thank you. I'll pay you for this later on. इसको vending machine कहते हैं. In Japan, this machine is very common. So and in UK, so you just put the and you get the card vending machine. यहाँ आपको पहले लाना चाहिए था ना मुझे.
Enter your card. Enter PIN code.
Any number.
5,000.
Now select your amount.
Select my amount.
5,000.
पैसे हैं तुम्हारे पास?
नहीं,
अमाउंट तो मैं
5,000
कर
का.
लूँगी select. 5 नहीं चले.
1,000.
Wait while your transaction is being processed. Oh, wonderful. Wonderful. And
Who's the model behind this? Hi. Doing a wonderful job. Hello, astronaut.
I am an astronaut from DPS Lahore, Pakistan. For the first time,
आगे रखो.
for the first time, I have landed on the surface of Mars. Oh, look what I found. There is a 3D Mars living. I have to give this news to everyone. For this, I have to capture that video.
And what is your name?
Sarifa,
From which class?
10th F.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Planet Mars, I like you very much.
زمانم کی کوتا زیادہ مریض کی ہم کو پورا آواز تشریف سے شاید بھی زمان تیارے تباہ گنا پہ کریں لیتے. Hi, my name is Kiku. I am a Mars being. Look, that creature. It looks different from me. Maybe it has come to destroy my planet. I have to inform others to fight against it.
Wonderful. Sorry? अच्छा, तो reverse करना है मुझे. एक मिनट में सर हम cheating तो ना करें. ऐसे ही करके. 5179. Five. सारे करो. 5179. Okay. So
this is your chocolate.
wonderful. Thank you so much. I'll share it with you. Because come on. I'll share it with you. Because you designed this. You deserve a chocolate.
लीग के मेहमान खुसूसी एडिशनल कमिश्नर साहबजादी वसीमा उमर थी, वो हमारे साथ भी मौजूद है. हम उनसे बात करेंगे, उनसे पूछेंगे. अच्छा, आप समझिए कि तालिबान ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया.
जी बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. मैं कहना चाहूँगी कि आज एनुअल साइंस डाला मॉडल टाउनशिप डिवीजन पब्लिक स्कूल गर्ल्स ब्रांच का मैंने अटेंड किया और मुझे फ़ख्र है अपने बच्चियों पे, अपने तालिबात पे, जिन्होंने इतने ब्रिलियंट मॉडल्स तख्लीक किए और ना सिर्फ आते हैं बल्कि इसमें वो जिद्दत भी लाई. उन्होंने कुछ इनोवेशंस दिखाई. इसमें मज़ीद ये कहना चाहूँगी कि जिस कौम की बच्चियाँ इतनी होनहार हों वो कौमें कभी पीछे नहीं रह सकती.
अच्छा, ऐसी प्रैक्टिसेस सरकारी स्कूलों में क्यों नहीं कराई जाती? इतना बड़ा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है, टीचर है, स्टूडेंट्स हैं, लेकिन उसके बावजूद नहीं कराई जाती.
मैं आपको पूरे वसूख से बताना चाहूँगी कि हमारे डिविजनल पब्लिक स्कूल में एनुअली, बल्कि ना सिर्फ एनुअली, बाय एनुअली हम ये कॉम्पिटिशन्स का इनेकाद करवाते हैं. और इसके अलावा हमारे जो सिटी डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नमेंट के स्कूल्स हैं उनमें भी हम इस तरह के कॉम्पिटिशन्स का हर साल इनेकाद करवाते हैं और मज़ीद इसको प्रमोट करने की ज़रूरत है, जो कि हम इंशाल्लाह करेंगे.
अच्छा, इस तरह के एग्जीबिशन किस कदर मावन साबित होते हैं इन फ्यूचर, इनमें किस तरह काम आते हैं?
मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि जो बच्चियों को मौका मिलता है अपनी टैलेंट को आगे शोकेस करने का, और इसमें सिर्फ वो निसाब की किताबें पढ़ के चीज़ें नहीं प्रिपेयर करते, बल्कि अपनी इंटेलिजेंस से, अपने इंटेलेक्ट्स को इस्तेमाल करते हुए भी इन मॉडल्स को उन्होंने तकलीफ किया है। तो बेशक इससे बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट मिलती है, ना सिर्फ अभी के पढ़ाई के लिए बल्कि इन फ्यूचर ऑल्सो। उनको जो फ्यूचर अपने लिए चूज़ करना है, डॉक्टर बनना है, इंजीनियर बनना है, साइंटिस्ट बनना है, जिस तरफ भी, जिस फील्ड में भी जाना है, उनके लिए ये बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्टिव साबित
ये एडिशनल प्रोग्राम साहबजादी वसीम अहमद
After heart attack agents, the developments the competition was been made. Concerning effective resistance with progressive mental research. That position is your language and it is last ability to carry out such as tasks. The reason for analysis the enzyme takes inflammation of tendons and plaques in the brain starts to shrink, and the loss of connections between your nerves. And when all diseases have the many signs and symptoms of this disease, towards Alzheimer's and this losing age which is functionality. So here it is a blood test to study Alzheimer's.
Or
you are approaching towards
This is position the hands for 10 minutes after it. For 10 minutes. Copy this picture. This is Taxi. Double bender. Draw a line from one circle to another starting at 1, alternating numbers and letters in order 1 to A, B, so on. No, I don't get this. Draw a line from one circle to another.
You have to match
1
letters
to
with the
A
numbers.
and
It lasts for 5 to 7 days and it is accompanied by muscles and joint pain. The main source of dengue was remember and now it has become a leading cause of death and many causes of
very good. I'll take the hard copy of this one. Thank you. इसका skeleton है? हाँ? Okay.
So here on our test we will know about the symptoms, treatment and blood response.
Do you have a hard copy of this? Can I get a hard copy of all this information? Then it's fine. So I would like to take a thorough reading of this. Thank you.
test. This is to test. You have to make
अगर पानी ना होता, ठीक है, so they can use their imagination. Well, they told about the topic the day before, so that they know what to write.
Actually, in future we are going to have wars on water.
They must be so much. आप लोग concentrate करो, मैं disturb नहीं करती. Thank you.
Honorable Principal now will present a souvenir to the worthy chief guest. Please, sir. Ma'am Najma Jawad, Headmistress of School Senior Wing, Model Town, will present this souvenir to the worthy chief guest, accompanied by the principal. Thank you, sir. At the closing of the ceremony, I'd like to thank all our teachers, especially the ones who have been supervising this event. I'll now let we all are waiting for the chief guest to tell us all what she thinks about her scientific efforts. So I'll invite you to the stage and let us all know about what you have taken from here, please.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Worthy principal, Dr. Shakur Sahab and Mrs. Najma Jawad Sahib. Thank you very much. And of course, my dear girls and colleagues, teachers, thank you very much for inviting me here. A very warm hello from my side. You just said, Principal Sahib said that it was an honor for you to have invited me as the chief guest, but to the contrary, it was an honor and sheer delight for me to be amongst you here and to be able to witness what marvels you have created. The most difficult phase is when you have to tell about which is the best model, because they are all equally outstanding and works of brilliance and sheer intellect and pure nerve. So I would like to say that such competitions have to be organized
regularly, not just annually but biannually, and also for the junior section. What you have created is far more and far better than what most scientists or engineers or doctors could create, seriously. Because I've been to exhibitions. It seems that your teachers are working very hard on you, especially the principals. Both principals for the girls' wing and the boys' wing, they are working very hard on their students. And the best part is that they are taking personal interest in each and every project, be it a science project or a work of art or a literary competition. I just saw girls writing essays in classes. They're still busy and quite engrossed in concentrating on their work. It's absolutely spectacular. I must tell you that this is one of the best science exhibitions I've ever visited. On a lighter vein, and since I'm very fond of interacting with students, and that's why I wanted to meet each one of you. When I was a student and we had such competitions, I'm also a student of science and then a student of literature. I'm an amalgam of both literature and science. The best part in such exhibitions and competitions was that you get exempted from classes. So I hope you enjoyed that time also, because that too is an experience. And this is, let me tell you, this is the best phase of your life. You have to make the most out of it. Your teachers, your friends, and all the people in school, even the administrators and the staff who are present here, they are all working very hard on making you a perfect human being. So please listen to them, give them respect, make sure you never break somebody's heart, because in the long run you're going to regret it. I was always a very easygoing kind of a student, and I remember being nice to everybody, and I wasn't as brilliant as you are. But one thing for sure, I have no regrets. I have all fond memories, good memories from my school, from my college, university, even my civil services academy. So don't be mean. This is just a word of advice, say, from an elder sister, from a senior. Just a word of advice. And be good to yourself. You can be good to yourself by being good to others. You know, the best thing about being in such a good institution, which such wonderful faculty and seniors and administrators, is that not only are they giving you, they are focusing on academics, but also on moral values. So moral values and academia, they are inextricably woven together. They go hand in hand together. So I don't want to talk too much and put you to sleep. I know that happens in classes, and I can hear a few snores from there also, from that point. Okay, so I hope and I pray that whatever noble endeavors or paths you have carved out for yourself, you achieve your goals, your targets, and you get the best in life. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. I'd like to thank all our judges, Sir Azhar Mahmood, Sir Kamran Ali, Sir Zubair Faridi, Madam Shagufta, Madam Aksa, Madam Shamila. Not only them, but our headmistress, Madam Najma Jawad, Honorable Principal, Mr. Abdul Shakur Bhatt, and most of all, worthy chief guest, Additional Commissioner, Ma'am Wasima Umar. Please. At the end, the appreciation goes to all of you, the students. You have made this event successful. Thank you so much. Goodbye and good night.
शुक्रिया